Welcome back to another videos. Join us for the latest news, insights, and updates on the Iraqi dinar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's explore the world of the Iraqi dinar together. The Vietnamese dong, Vietnam's official currency, is a subject of keen interest for many observers, particularly those who hold the currency. In this analysis, we delve into the multifaceted landscape of Vietnam's economy, addressing its growth trajectory, the prevalent issue of corruption, and the speculations surrounding a potential revaluation of the dong. Vietnam has emerged as one of the standout economies in Southeast Asia, boasting robust growth rates averaging around 6.5% annually over the past decade. This remarkable performance can be attributed to several key factors. Firstly, Vietnam possesses a sizable and youthful population, which serves as a dynamic workforce and consumer base, propelling economic activities across various sectors. Additionally, the country benefits from a diversified export industry, encompassing products ranging from textiles to electronics. This diversification has helped Vietnam weather external shocks and navigate global trade uncertainties, including the turbulence stemming from the US-China trade conflict. This culture of corruption poses a significant obstacle to Vietnam's aspirations of attracting more FDI and fostering sustainable economic development. Investors are understandably wary of committing capital to jurisdictions plagued by graft, as it not only inflates operational costs but also exposes businesses to legal and reputational risks. Consequently, addressing corruption must be a priority for Vietnam's policymakers if the country aims to consolidate its position as an attractive investment destination and realize its economic potential fully. Amidst discussions surrounding Vietnam's economic landscape, one topic that frequently garners attention is the prospect of a dong revaluation. A revaluation of the Vietnamese dong entails an upward adjustment of its value relative to major currencies like the US dollar, potentially enhancing its purchasing power and attractiveness to investors. Currently, the dong operates under a managed float regime, with its value tethered to the US dollar within a predetermined trading band, subject to interventions by the State Bank of Vietnam, SBV. Proponents of a dong revaluation cite several factors underpinning their optimism. They highlight Vietnam's robust economic fundamentals, including ample foreign exchange reserves, a favorable trade balance, and sustained GDP growth, as indicators of the currency's potential for upward revaluation. Furthermore, they draw parallels with other nations that have undertaken successful currency revaluations in the past, such as Kuwait, China, and Iraq, underscoring the feasibility of such a monetary policy maneuver. However, despite these arguments in favor of a dong revaluation, numerous hurdles stand in its path. Foremost among these is the lack of political will within Vietnam's leadership to enact sweeping monetary reforms that could destabilize the economy and provoke backlash from vested interests. Additionally, Vietnam's heavy reliance on exports as a driver of economic growth exposes it to external pressures, with trading partners exerting influence to maintain currency stability to safeguard their own interests. Ultimately, the fate of the Vietnamese dong rests in the hands of Vietnam's policymakers, whose decisions will be guided by a range of considerations, including economic stability, trade dynamics, and geopolitical imperatives. As stakeholders in Vietnam's economic future, individuals holding the dong must remain vigilant, stay informed about developments shaping the country's economic landscape, and exercise prudence in managing their financial assets. In conclusion, Vietnam's economy stands at a crossroads, poised for further growth and development, yet beset by challenges that warrant concerted efforts to overcome. While the prospect of a dong revaluation tantalizes investors and observers alike, it is imperative to approach discussions surrounding currency dynamics with nuance and circumspection. By fostering transparency, combating corruption, and pursuing prudent economic policies, Vietnam can harness its potential to emerge as a regional economic powerhouse, to the benefit of its citizens and investors alike. Thanks for watching Iraqi Dinar. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share our videos. Your support keeps our channel going. Stay curious, and see you in the next one.